Hey, welcome back to an all new video. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along on a room tour in my oldest daughter room today. So I'm just going to show you guys how we did the Paris theme in her room. She's a preteen, so I wanted to kind of give it something a little bit more big girl look, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too kiddish and nothing too much for her age. So over here, I just got some wall decals that I had and I put them over her dresser door and her door, her doorway entrance. I got the coat rack, purse rack, whatever you want to call it, from Ross. Of course, you see the jewels. I love it. I am such a girly person. I feel like girls should just always have girly things. Over here, I have this fabulous sign. Now, I was telling you guys, so a neighbor purchased a J for my daughter. Well, she purchased that for my oldest. She couldn't find an A for hers, so she got her that, which was perfect for the room. I got the wall decal from Amazon. Of course, everybody knows I am an Amazon girl. I love shopping in person, but if I could find it online for cheaper, I go for Amazon. I got the desk, just something from Walmart, and the chair from Burlington. I found those lights on Amazon. I believe they were maybe $6. And for them to be pretty small, they pack a little power. I'm going to insert a clip shortly and show you what it looks like in the dark. Yeah, pretty bright. Well, bright enough. So, yeah, I got those curtain rods from Amazon. I couldn't find any in stores. Curtains, of course, Ross. Over the window, I had this love sign, but it kept falling. They were like the sticky letters, but they kept falling, so I just got rid of them. I ordered this bed from Ashley's Furniture. I believe it was only $250. It was a really good deal. Pillows, of course, Amazon. Pillows, of course, Amazon. The comforter set I got from Amazon as well. I love this pink shape. I thought it was just super girly. It just added extra color into the room because it's a lot of black and white. The rug I purchased from Ross. The mirror against the wall. A friend of mine, she owned a beauty salon. She actually gave Ariel that mirror hanging up on the wall. These pictures, I've been holding on to them for quite some time. A friend of mine's moved to LA and she had those at a yard sale, and I bought them, not knowing what I was going to do with them, and I'm glad I kept them. The Paris case, someone actually gave that to me. The light we got from Dave & Buster's. The show, that's what the whole section looked like at nighttime. It lights up. I like lights. I got this night light from Walmart. I thought it was super cute. It's glittery. I don't know if you can tell, but that just added the perfect touch for the room. So yeah, that is my walkthrough with my daughter's room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me.